will be showing how to create a playlist for your videos on YouTube. So if you want to create playlist for your video, as you can see, there is no playlist for this video. So now if you want to create a new one, you now come to this point and you click on the drop down icon to select. So now once you check the list and you probably want to create a new one, you now click at this point, create new playlist. So now once you click on create new playlist, you see an option, new playlist and new podcast. We'll go with the first one, new playlist. So now the first option here is the title of your playlist. So now let's go with how to draw fruits. So right now, this you can as well copy and use it as your description. Then you now proceed and you click on create. So automatically, this is how to create a playlist for your videos on YouTube. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to like and share if this video is helpful to you. Thank you.